When you think you've seen it all,
Ducky basketball? Now I've heard everything.
you discover that Lisa's slow.
167 is a bigger number than 159. Do you see how that works?
Bart finds God,
With a little help from Jesus.
and Homer actually saves the day. The Simpsons, as you've never seen them before.
Now, Mark, we do not judge here.
The only place to see
I'm sorry to say, it seems like we are having some technical difficulties here on Sky One. Don't worry, we are currently working on fixing the problem so you can watch The Simpsons without any interruptions. Ladies and gentlemen, the reason of the technical difficulties was because a bomb went off at our studio. We are transmitting via our backup studio in the outskirts of London. This broadcast has now been turned into an emergency broadcast. All Sky channels will merge to Sky One for this ongoing emergency. Please stand by. We have been told another bomb has went off on the London Eye. The Prime Minister has issued the evacuation of London. Please evacuate now. The bomb that went off on the London Eye had released gas that shows symptoms of Ebola. Hospitals in London have been forced to go on lockdown due to the ongoing emergency. Hospitals on the outskirts of London are at max capacity. If you are in London, please do the following. Close all entrances to your house. This includes air conditioning units. If you have a draft of your window or door, seal it now with tape or a cloth. Find an inner refuge before it's too late. If you cannot seal these entrances, please do the following for your own safety. Get a cloth and a bowl of clean water. Make the cloth wet and put it over your face so you are able to breathe and not get infected. Schools around the United Kingdom have been closed to protect staff and the children inside. If your child is in London, they have been evacuated. If your child is not in London, they will be dropped off at home. Please stand by as we get more information. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, I am sorry to say that the Houses of Parliament was just destroyed with most likely a bomb. The Queen and the royal family has been moved to a safe place. Please stand by. The suspects who have caused this attack has been taken into custody by police officers in London. These suspects are a part of a terrorist group known as Al-Qaeda, and this group was also the main group of the 9/11 terrorist attack. This emergency broadcast will cease, and normal broadcasting will resume after a goodbye to the many people who died today.
Simpsons.